Inflation still squeezing America's budget. Saving money on groceries is top of mind. And one way to do that is to buy store brand products instead of the brand name. Our friend Chef Daniel Green has come up with some dinner dishes, some easy ones that are quick, they're healthy, they're economical. Chef, thanks for coming back on the show.
Nice to see you. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely.
Well, hopefully come up with some interesting ways and spins on how you can use store brand. And I got involved with Cub, and they're such a great company. And UNFI is the overparent company.
Yep.
And they do a Woodstock brand that isn't exclusive to Cub, but it really makes a difference on how you can use some great flavors, not spend a ton of money, and kind of jazz up dinner a little bit.
So their new store brand is called Woodstock.
Yes, they have a Woodstock brand. We've got some lemon aioli. We're going to use some hot sauce. We're going to use some sriracha. So really nice flavors. I do this either with salmon. Now, if you go to cub.com, just in the top left corner, there's recipes.
Yeah.
And I've created about 4 really kind of exciting recipes.
And you're making like a slider, but like a little cool take on a slider.
And I do very low carb, and I want to make it healthy. So it's healthy, it's great on the budget, and it's full of flavor.
All right, so what are we doing?
Garlic scallions and some cilantro just goes in my little food processor.
Okay.
And then we're going to start adding the magic. We're going to take their sriracha aioli. It's a really lovely one, and again, just beautifully done. We have 2 different hot sauces, but I know you, Chris. Let's do the hot one.
Oh, you are out of your mind. I tried that ghost pepper sauce.
That's the
it's
one.
delicious, but it is hot.
A little bit of sesame and a little bit of soy.
Okay.
And then we're going to add a little bit of olive oil, and I'm using the leanest ground beef.
And so is this a sauce that you put on the burger, or is this a marinade?
I'm going to mix it right in there. And you can
see.
do this with salmon, and you can do it. Actually, it's brilliant with shrimp as well. But we did salmon on the actual website, so excuse me for a little noise.
Hit it. I love power tools.
It's so quick and easy. And
I
then
feel
what
like
we'll
Tim
do.
Allen for a second.
And then I'm just going to take that beautiful sauce.
Okay.
And I'm going to mix it in.
Just right in the beef.
Right in there.
And
that
that's
is
your seasoning.
everything you need. You don't need any salt. You don't need any pepper.
No egg.
No egg. So I did this with salmon, and we're also looking at really carb-free on this as well.
Cool.
So you can leave that in the refrigerator. You can let it go.
Make
and
your
then you
burger
just-
patties.
Yep. And
you
actually,
fry.
the fridge is good because then it's going to really kind of set nicely. And then I'm making little sliders. That doesn't mean you can't make one big one. And I did you like this? For Cub, I did this beef sandwich with baked brie on it that was just amazing. That was a little bit sinful, I must say. That wasn't carb-free. And also did these great nachos with a yogurt dip and their lemon out aioli.
Let's go, man.
Let's
What's your
deal.
trick on cooking sliders? You don't press them ever, right? You don't want to release any of the juice or the moisture.
I think the thing is
fry 'em hot.
you just know that they're not going to take long like a burger. So if you've got one big burger, they're going to take a while.
So these are the recipes that you were talking about on
very
the
nice.
website there.
They just went up live.
That's from Cub.
And this is at Cub, just top left corner, your press recipes. It actually gives you the shopping list as well. So they got these store brands that really do make a difference on the budget.
For sure.
We're all spending so much money in the grocery store now,
Yeah.
and we kind of want to look at ways we can do that in a better way.
I also understand that you are emceeing the Ronald McDonald House Gala.
I am.
Is
It's
that right?
very special to me. And actually, funnily enough, that's where I met the team at Cub. Because they
Oh.
were so supportive. They helped renovate the kitchen down at the Ronald McDonald House, and they were part of the sponsors.
Yeah.
And they go to the gala. So I'm going to be doing... Oh, I'm not going to be doing that. No. No, that was only a one-off.
Oh, there you go. Look at your
I'm
jacket, man.
not going to be dancing again, but I will be emceeing, and it's a
for you.
wonderful charity. Last
Sure
year,
is.
we hit one
Help
of
a
the...
lot of people.
A lot of people, and we got almost 1 million last year, so it was brilliant.
That's
And
amazing.
we thank all Kerry Levin for your support, and Belinda and your family, and they're very grateful.
Bella, you want a bite in here? Can we try one of
I
these?
do.
These are
Those
done already.
all
yeah?
done. These are almost done.
What are the odds I can pick it up with chopsticks?
You picked the biggest one.
Come on, Bella.
Here we go. Here we go.
I put a little bit of avocado, take the heat off. Oh, you can do some more hot sauce if you want,
Hot sauce.
and
You want some?
a little bit of jalapeno.
I am gonna have one. I am excited about it. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna get. I'm gonna.
You want
I'm gonna wait for the hot ones.
Hot ones. That's delicious.
You know what? Any way you can save money, I tell you, I know everyone feels this, but honestly, you know, you grab a bag of groceries and you walk out and it's $57. I'm like, and it doesn't matter which groceries. It's just
Well, the price of the
a lot.
ingredients, the price of the labor, the price of transportation, everything has gone up.
Where
So
did
this
that
is a good way to
happen?
avoid it.
Just suddenly went up through the roof.
Well, that's
Suddenly.
delicious. And I like the wet seasoning. Everybody always seasons their sliders and burgers with just salt and pepper, but
Yeah.
to mix it with a
Smells
sauce like that
so
is
good in here.
up.
I love it.
Thanks, Chef. Appreciate
Thank
you
you
very
so
much.
much.
Yeah, that's
Thank you.
awesome.
Thank you.
Mel, you got to try that. It's spicy.
I
though.
am gonna try
Careful.
it. I'm all excited.
Num nums. The burger recipe and a link to a lot more Cashwise meals is on carelevin.com. along with information about this year's Ronald McDonald
October 5th. It's October
Gala.
5th.
It's October
If you want to
5th?
go, yeah.
Okay, cool.
October 5th.